Hey there, sunshine. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my February dia&co box. This month's box was styled by Randy N, and the total value of my box is $331. This first piece is from City Chic, and it's the Lauderdale sleeveless fit and flare dress in a size medium with the price tag of $85. My stylist picked this out for me because she saw that I've been posting a lot of vintage looks on my Instagram. She was like, wow, this is like a vintage inspired dress. I actually really love how this dress fits with the fat pockets for my arms. Like it kind of like honestly really hides them. I know it's not showing super great on the one side, but it has the ability to. I just didn't have it like put on my body correctly. Also, it has pockets. What more could I want? I decided to not keep this dress because in the back, it kind of like poofs out a little bit in like a triangular way, like super sharp, and I just didn't feel like it looked nice from the back. So this next piece is the Kinsley printed cape top by Rachel Roy. This is a teal and light gray color scheme is what they have it described at, and it's size 2X for $59. I freaking love the pattern on this top. I love the colors. I know I've just been bashing floral patterns, but I love the teal on this shirt paired with the gold and paired with the gray. I don't like the way this shirt fits me though. I don't like cape tops on me. I just feel like they make me look really wide, and that's not my cup of tea. But I freaking love this pattern. Like, I've been so sick of floral patterns, and just the whole print of the shirt, I'm totally obsessed with. I feel like this top, I don't know why I called it a dress, but this top is cute. Like, I feel like it's just like, I don't like the way it fits on me, but I do feel like I could have made it work. I actually styled this on Instagram in a skirt for more like a business type of look, and I feel like it worked better in that sense, but I don't feel like this top really worked for me with jeans, but that's okay, because with the skirt, it was so freaking cute. I loved this top so much. So the total value of this box was $331. With the $20 styling fee, that's credited towards anything that you keep. And then a 25% off if I had decided to keep everything. That would have given me an $82 discount, which would have put my total for everything in this box at $228. I only kept this tank top. This is the Essentials by ABS Chloe Sequin tank in a size 1X for $49. I'm an 18-20. I have been asking both dia&co and Stitch Fix for a couple of months now to send me a sequin anything, and I'm so glad dia&co finally came through. I'm so happy with this month's box. Okay, so I like how this tank top is layered. The only complaint that I have, and it's honestly not that big of a complaint because that just comes with the territory, is that the sequins go all the way up. So like if you're moving your arms around a lot, you're gonna get a little bit chopped up, a little bit sliced up, because the sequins, like, they at least cut my skin. This has a zipper back. As soon as I got this box, I went out on a date with my boyfriend like that same night, and I wore this tank top and I paired it with a jacket, and it was so freaking cute. I felt so fine. Oh my god, I love that tank top so much. I also really, really, really love these jeans. Excuse the crooked carpet. This is not the highlight of my life right now. This is the centered deconstructed boyfriend jean with embellishment by RWN by Rawin in a medium wash color in a size 18 for $69. I don't remember why my stylist picked these jeans out for me, but oh my god, I'm so glad she did, because I freaking love the embellishment in the bottom. I've never seen jeans like these. I did send them back because I know I can do these myself. Let me know if you want to see a DIY with jeans like this, like if you want to see the pearl embellishment DIY jean. I didn't like the way that these made my butt look, and I did feel like these were a little too big on me. Like, they definitely weren't like fitted tightly or comfortably on my waist. They kind of were falling down a little bit. But with that said, I freaking love the embellishment. I love the color. I love where these hit on my waist. They're so cute, and they're very definitely different than everything else that I've received a lot of jeans in my subscription boxes, which I love, but I've never received jeans like those before. And the last piece that I received are these Morgan & Walker Bleecker Dye skinny jeans in a color burgundy, and it says 18 for $69. These jeans I have the opposite problem with. It was like these jeans, They were comfortable. These jeans, honestly, like, I could have felt comfortable sizing down. I'm kind of in between sizes right now, so that's really more on me than anybody else. But these jeans just look like my legs look like sausages in them. Like, I don't know why the jeans are just like clumping up like that. Like, it's like these jeans and the legs are just too small on my body, but that they aren't. Like, I had plenty of room, plenty of wiggle room, no problem at all. But so it was really weird that they were doing this. And it wasn't just like in the front either. It was like in the back too. And they weren't made to be like this. So that's everything that I got. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.